Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to cook mixed starch. So first of all, you first liquefy the starch. It's always come in a solid form, so you have to make it liquid a little bit, not too watery. Liquid should just be a little bit thick. Then you use red oil, then mix with low heat, please. Starch don't like high heat, it will turn to cocoa. You just keep mixing. Then once you see your starch is getting hard, you keep turning, because starch don't like cocoa. If it's your starch is cocoa, just turn it. It will not be sweet. So just, you won't enjoy it when there's too much cocoa inside, when there's too much seed inside the starch. So this is how it's going to be. Then you put a little bit of water when it's already thick. Then cover it, let it done inside. This is how it's going to look. Don't, if it's too watery, just know your starch have spoiled. It's not meant to be watery, it's meant to be thick like this, as if you're eating a bar. It's meant to be thick, not watery. So this is how it's going to be. Then you eat with black soup or banga. So this is how it's going to be. These are the starch is. You can eat with banga or any soup of your choice. So this is going to be. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. For more video, comment under. I'll teach you how to cook or how to do anything. Thank you. Have a nice day. This food is very sweet. It's from Edo State. Bye.